Although I was hoping I wouldn't have to do it, I'm probably going to have to just take all the stuff out of here and just take some rubbing alcohol and clean the board off, because again, this has been outside for a while. RAM, I'm not sure if it was the memory that was actually giving it the problem, but although it probably looks pretty decent on camera, it's kind of dusty. I don't think it would hurt. I guess I'm going to start over here. Don't mind the mess too much. I did reassemble this. It was kind of boring reassembling it, and I have a surprise. Check this out. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's see what we got here. Intel Pentium 4, 2.80 gigahertz, 1 megabyte integrated level 2 cache. Not actually sure what any of this means. Yeah, other than that, pretty good here. I just need to figure out which one of these hard drive works.